What are vectors? Vectors have magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction, but current is not vector, although it has magnitude and direction. All potential and fluxes. All potential and fluxes are scalars. And field intensity and gradients are vectors. Small elementary area is vector, but large area is scalar. There is other term, tensor. Tensor are those quantities whose magnitude differs from direction to direction. Moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is a tensor. Limit of resultant a minus b for two vectors, a vector and b vector. A minus b to a plus b. Limit of a vector dot b vector minus av to a vector dot b vector less than plus av, and limit of a vector cross b vector is 0 to av. These three are important. So the most of the questions are showing here where two quantities are given for 4 and 12. Then here it is asked 4 and 12 are two vectors, a vector, b vector. Then here are options which cannot be resultant, 10, 4, 13, 15. So if you add these two, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 12, add these two, it will be 16, and subtract these two, you will be, so these three comes under rings, but this is the corner, so it can't be resultant. And here is other question, resultant a vector and b vector are given. A vector is so there are three sets of vectors. So the question is asked which cannot be resultant, cannot be 0. Resultant can't be 0. Questions 10, 10, 10, 10, 15, 20, 10, 20, 20, 10, 20, 50, 40. If you add these two, if you add lesser to, it should be the resultant should be less than the other number should be less than those two sums. 20, so it is less. 25 less. 30 is greater than 20, but yeah, 30 is less than 40, so this cannot be 0. So now finding values. Resultant is equals to root under for two vectors, p vector and q vector. Resultant is equals to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. And p vector square is equals to magnitude vector square. And then for unit vector, to find unit vector, we have vector for a vector divided by magnitude of a vector. To find magnitude, you have to root under, then if here is given a vector is equals to 2I vector plus j vector, then you have to 2 square plus 1 square, it will be 4 plus 1, it will be 5, root under 5. This is the magnitude of A. So now this is unit vector. Now for unit vectors, I into j is equals to I vector into j vector is equals to j into k is equals to k into I is equals to 0, like that. And if you I into I is equals to, so you may get confused with the cross, but this is dot product. I into I is equals to j into j is equals to k into k, k is equals to 1. Okay, these are the relations. To find angle between two vectors A and B, A vector and B vector, then angle cos theta is equals to A vector dot B vector by magnitude of A vector magnitude of AB. Using this you can find angle between two vectors. Now then, maximum value of A vector minus B vector, maximum magnitude of A vector minus B vector can be A plus B. This is vector. We have to use the vector addition to calculate this. Then you can find projection of A and B, which is A cos theta. So A vector by B vector by magnitude of B vector. From this you can find the projection of A and A on B. Then you can also find area parallelogram. For two vectors A, the area parallelogram A cross B. So you have to find the cross product. So let's take one example. If A vector is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k and B vector is equals to 3i minus 2j plus k, then you have to find the cross product by I, j, k, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2k minus 2, 1. You will get I. Then you have to check 2, 3 minus 2, 1, determinant minus j, 1, 3, 1 plus k, 1, 2, 3 minus 2. These are all vectors. Then you have to find the magnitude, which is the required area of parallelogram. Let's go through some questions. If a vector 2i vector plus 2j vector is rotated through 90 degree, it is changed by. So if it is changed by 90 degree, it will be minus 2i vector plus 2j vector or 2i vector minus 2j vector. Now the change initial minus final, 2i plus 2j minus 2i vector plus 2j vector, so it will be 4i vector. Sorry, we have to do final minus initial. So final is minus 2i vector, initial is this, so it will be minus 4 vector 1. And if this is the case, final 2i vector minus 2j vector minus 2i vector minus 2j vector, so it will be minus 4j vector. So which one is here? Minus 2, so it will be minus. B is the answer. Now another question. A vector of length L is turned through theta about its tail. Change in head position will be. So there is a vector of length L. Now it is changed by tail with angle theta. So head will go here, theta. So now change in head position is So it will be L cos theta. Sorry, we'll do the next way. Delta L is equals to L vector final minus L vector initial. So final it will be, so we have to square both sides, then it will L square. We don't have cos square theta because we don't need direction, we need only magnitude. L square plus 2 L square cos theta. So if we take 2 L square common, it will be 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. So you will get L square 1 minus cos sin square theta by 2 sin square theta by, so it will be 4, and if you take root under from here, it will be 2L sin theta by 2. So the required answer is this. Resultant is 0, 0 and 2 vectors added is equals to other or greater than the other. So resultant is 0 when added is equal or greater than the other. So to have never zero solution, it should be less, added should be less than the other. 2 plus 1 3 which is equal, say 19, which is less than this. 6 plus 8 which is greater than this. So it will never be a solution when it less. So this is the required answer, because in which it is equal to 20, it is greater than 10, it is equals to 3, but it will be 19 which is less than 20. So never zero a solution. Other case, a body moves north 30 meter. A body moves 30 meter north, 20 meter east and 30.2 meter southwest. Then the resultant is, then the total displacement from the initial position. So it will go 30 meter south and 30 meter west. So if this will cancel in the north, and then it will be 10 meter west, which is the required answer. Then we have one question of fly. Fly is in a house of 3 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter length, 4 meter height and 12 meter height, 4 meter length, 3 meter breadth. Then the displacement is root under 12 square plus 4 square plus 3 square.